What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
the Air Jordan 1 Mystic Navy. I don't know why it's mystic. Like,
that sounds sick though.
Mystical. It's a Mystic Navy Low. Sorry, I left the word out.
Another one.
Mystic Navy Low. It's the Air Jordan 1 OG Low Mystic Navy.
Bruh.
All right, too many times. All right, we're gonna get into it, Nigel. Before we get to the shoe, what should they do?
I need you to ring that notification bell. Nigel did that. Thank you.
That's right.
We got to the shoe.
All right, bam. Here we go. We are getting low today. There has been a lot of lows that have been dropping by Jordan Brand over the last, I don't know.
We got another one. It's like,
I mean,
the millionth one this year.
Not really. I don't have many lows.
I feel like I've seen a lot of lows.
You saw one recently when we did the Bleached Coral, but I don't have many lows. There's been a ton releasing like all the time. There's like red lows and this one, red and white. They just, Jordan Brand does a whole bunch. Yeah. But this is an OG low, which we can get into the differences between the OG and then I guess the regular Jordan low that's been kind of run the mill being released.
Okay.
So you want to get into it?
Let's get into it.
All right. Mystic Navy, the classic Jordan box that we all know and love. And we are going with this here.
I swear I have seen this shoe before.
You haven't seen this shoe before? I mean, just in general, you're saying?
In here.
No, I don't have any blue and black Jordans in my collection.
Really?
Not like that. No, I do not. So this is a classic style colorway. These are similar to, they maybe remind you of like the Royal Toes or they have a Jordan like Royal Low. That's very similar. So this
might be that.
The Mystic Navy, I don't have them, but they have them out. The Mystic Navy is different because this navy colorway is slightly different, obviously, than Royal Blue. But, I think overall it's a clean shoe. The black leather on it is nice, like a nice, like really good leather. Like it just feels like a leather jacket. It's got like a nice kind of sheen to it.
Yeah. Real sheeny.
Like a shoe you could dress up, with some dark jeans on a Friday, Saturday night. You're going out with your lady, going out to the spot, to the bar, to the club, whatever.
Yeah.
You
if you're going to like prom and you want to wear like a dark blue suit or a black suit. Or
they would be tough.
Dark blue, you know what I'm saying?
Agreed. They would be tough with that.
Yep.
So, the difference between the OG and the regular Jordan 1 lows that have been coming out, obviously you get the OG tag, which is the same as what's on your Jordan 1 OG High retros.
Yeah.
Right? So everything kind of back here, there's like an additional eyelet on the shoe between, on the OG versus the original or the other. I don't know what the other ones are called. I'd have to look it up. But there's the OG, which is this. And the other ones actually have like the Jumpman on the tongue and Air, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I prefer just Nike Air, like the classic Jordan tongue. And then also on the back, some of them have the logo, the Wings logo on the heel of the shoe down low, where the OG has it on that actual collar, like top panel.
I like how it's like right there too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's kind of cool. I like how they have like it sectioned out, like they have the stitch all around the logo, so it's like, it feels special right there. I like that.
Yeah. I agree. So it's I think overall it's a good looking shoe.
I think it is, yeah.
Again, this black leather is really nice and soft. It's like a really good quality leather. I don't know what this blue is though. The blue is kind of, I guess it's leather, but it feels almost like a
softer.
Yeah, it feels kind of a little stiffer actually. It's not as soft as the black. Feel that here, right? It feels almost like it's a composite. Like it's maybe mixed with some rubber or something. I guess I'm sure it's leather, but it's just a stiffer leather versus this like black leather, which is like butter, like that good buttery leather, soft situation going on there. But yeah, you got this Mystic Navy. Nike, of course, just makes up colors.
I don't know where the Mystic comes from. This looks just like navy blue.
Yeah, it looks like navy blue to me too.
Mystic Navy is an enticing name though, so
of course.
I guess they get more sales with that. Who knows?
Right, it's the marketing, right? You got the blue outsole as well, with the traction, classic Jordan 1 traction underneath.
Yeah.
And it came with some Mystic Navy laces, to change it up from the black. But I think I like the black.
Some white laces.
You think?
No.
Okay. Gave up on that
quick.
quick.
My mind when I had that. I had it in my head.
Did I kill it?
I saw it in my head and I was like, never mind.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. As soon as I asked you, you were just like, no, I don't think so.
My mind just
I mean,
completely switch.
white
I low-key
laces
like the black
would.
more.
Yeah, I do. I like the black, but I think white could, make that connection to the midsole.
Yeah.
and that would
I
pop.
don't think it would fit up here though. What do you think between the navy blue and the black laces?
The navy blue and black. I think I might have to
see
do a
it.
side by side. Yeah, I might have to take them out and just swap them and see what the difference is between the two.
Low key the black.
The black is suave. The black is real smooth. I mean, that's just nice.
Yeah.
But it's I like the shoe, man. The swoosh on the side it protrudes out a lot. Like it's a thick cut on that leather that's on the swoosh, which is good because that's stiff and the heel counter is stiff.
Yeah.
And this toe box area.
This shoe is like mad durable. Like I feel like outside of the midsole, like if I get dirt anywhere, I can just wipe it right off. That's what I like about the leather.
That's true. Yeah, you're right about that.
Like most of the time, like the leather just kind of looks weird in some of like the higher, like the Air Jordan 1 highs. It kind of looks weird with the leather, but this is like I like this. This is nice.
Yeah.
Kind of feels like more for your generation. So
Like
I would
a
really
little more
rock this
grown
out.
up, a little more grown. I got
With
you.
the colors and stuff, but I don't wear it though. To be honest, it's nice.
I like that. All right. So what do y'all think? Did you cop the Mystic Navy? Is this one of your favorite lows that have dropped? Do you feel it's a very clean and grown up colorway? How's it smell?
The smell, I'm not gonna lie, it's not really too scenty, but it's fine because like some of the shoes they'll just hit you like a truck when you smell them. But this is like really low key, subtle.
Yeah.
But there is a smell there, and it's quite alright.
All right.
Indeed.
He loves the smell. I
Connoisseur of smells.
gotta make sure you're not huffing it too much. I mean, it's still glue.
Nah, no, I'm good.
It's not good for your brain to huff too much of that.
I know, but it doesn't really have too much of a smell. So is it like that strong?
I mean, true. You're right. It's just a hint of it. But anyway, what do y'all think about the Mystic Navy? I keep wanting to call this Midnight Navy. I don't know
That
why.
would low-key be tougher because it looks more midnighty than mystic.
Agreed, because it's late night. It's
Right.
dark.
It's got the black in it too.
Like a dark figure.
Yeah.
It's kind of like old school Batman colors for real. Like the comic Batman
They
back
should
in the
put
day.
some yellow laces on here.
Nah.
Low key though,
Too much.
if they put yellow laces and they could really change the check into like half of the Batman symbol.
Oh boy.
I'm so serious because like the Batman symbol is like the wing goes up like this, and so does the swoosh. That'd be tough.
And then these would be what, Batman shoes? Would he wear them then?
Batman?
Yeah.
Batman wears like combat boots. he did wear Jordans one time.
Yeah, in the Batman movie.
That's tough.
In the original Michael Keaton, they had Jordan 6s that they used that as the base and built the whole Batman boot thing around from the Jordan 6. It was pretty dope.
I need to watch that Michael Keaton movie.
Yeah, it's old, man, but it's good. It's a different Batman than like the classic, the new Christian Bale style. It's not as dark.
Wow. Is it like the comedy?
Not
one
quite.
where he, like,
It's in the middle.
What's the one where he's super like wears that really tight suit and he has like the ears that are like real high and he just like hams people.
Yeah, that was the like 1960s
Those
TV
I gotta watch
show.
those. Those seem fun.
Bam, pow.
Right.
right.
They have like the effects like showing up on the screen.
Everything. It was always a spinning screen, and it'd be like music, like. I used to watch that though when I was young. It was pretty dope. I mean, that's all we had. So old school. So anyway, Mystic Navy, Jordan 1 Low, OG, retro. I'm a fan of it. I think I'd give this, again, nice, classic, clean. I can't give everything high marks, right?
You really can.
I can. Because again, I only buy the shoes that I like. That's,
Exactly.
That's my jam. So I'm going to give these a 9. I said it.
A 9?
I said it, a 9. What more is there to do? It's a classic one, man.
I know. You could really give it a 10.
Yeah, I'm not giving it a 10.
It's not 10 words.
10 is reserved for like
That's what I'm saying.
certain.
Like I don't see anything wrong with it, but I feel like I just can't give it a 10 because that's like a special reward.
Yeah.
It's like a
10 is I'm on my year 3.
1.
Well, 1. You love the ones. I think maybe you might love those a little more than I do. I
the
do love
ones?
them, but I don't love them like
That's
that.
so tough.
They are. I think I'll probably still give them a 9. They're not a 10.
They're 10.
Anyway, that's neither
10.
here nor there. What do you rate them, dude?
I'm gonna give these
Yeah.
a slight 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you close.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. I don't got nothing wrong with it. It's not really like popping out at me though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's just like a mellow, low key kind of colorway.
It's a shoe. It's a
Yeah.
shoe. It's tough.
Yep. All right. Cool. What do y'all think at home out there watching right now?
Let us
Did
know.
you cop prepared? Give us your rating down in the comments. Again, hit me up on IG at RealDaddyC and make sure you ring that notification bell. We will see you on the next one.
Peace.